Who is downloaded Windows 10? Please raise your hand.
Excuse me, sir.
Hmm. Bolo.
Will you please read again yesterday classes again, sir, shortly?
Which is which is present only on 2 hours. It's not possible to describe in 1 hour. So I show you whatever the process we are performing yesterday, that also describe. Okay. When we are performing the work group practical on the time, I repeated it, whatever the practical we have done yesterday, because that all applications are required here. Whatever I performed yesterday.
Okay, sir.
Okay. But I request to everyone, if you think my computer is not working, you are sign out in the middle. And I request to every candidate, these classes is disconnected after every 40 minutes. If you think I'm not rejoined, obviously will miss the class. I request to all candidates, when you are joined on 10 a.m., that class would be disconnected after 10:40. So you will, I request to you, I give you 5 minutes to rejoin again. Then I started the next class on 10:45. I give you 5 minutes. In the 5 minutes, you must connect it on the same link. Okay. I request to everyone, if you follow, obviously you will understood very well. And I request to for all candidates who not downloaded the Windows operating system, you must download it the Windows, otherwise you will not able to done the practical. And without practical, this course is too much difficult to understand. Okay. And if anyone draw my screen or draw a line, don't do that. Who is wants to draw it? So maybe all are clear what I am saying.
Yes.
Any question up to now?
No, sir. Sir, one question I'm having.
Bolo.
Sir, I'm little bit confused about the domain user and the work group.
Domain user and workgroup user.
Yes, sir.
Domain user, I describe one domain, and currently we are describing about the workgroup. Basically, workgroup is a without server and domain is a with server. When you go to workgroup computer, you are created user account each and every computer. But when you go to domain computer, your user account created on central server, and from this server you are accessing your app. Okay. So when we are performing the workgroup and domain practically, you can understood very well what is the difference between workgroup and what is the domain administrator, what is the workgroup administrator, what do you mean by domain, what do you mean by workgroup, that all are clear after completing the domain. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, sir.
सर गणेश
So
here.
basically, tell me.
सर मेरे VMware में Ubuntu का सेटअप हो रहा है लेकिन विंडोज का नहीं हो रहा सर, विंडोज 10
क्यों नहीं हो रहा है?
मालूम नहीं सर।
क्या
मैंने
क्या हो रहा है?
ट्राई 2-3 बार ट्राई किया मैंने, लेकिन वो नहीं हो रहा।
एरर क्या आ रहा है बताओ? Which
ये
error
बोट
you are
मैनेज
facing?
वो बोट मैनेजर करके कुछ तो आ रहा है।
हाँ, उसमें 3 स्टेप फॉलो कर लो। जैसे ही तुम पावर ऑन करोगे ना, when you click on power on, and then you can left click on virtual machine, and after left click on virtual machine you press any key to boot your Windows. Then it
एंटर
will.
किया, उसके बाद एंटर किया, फिर भी वो वही पेज पे स्टॉप हो रहा है, उसका आइकन नहीं जा रहा। क्या मैं स्क्रीन शेयर कर सकता हूँ?
ठीक है, तुम कल स्क्रीन शेयर करो, मैं दिखा दूँ।
करोगे सर शेयर स्क्रीन?
नहीं, आज नहीं, कल करो।
ओके, ठीक है।
Tomorrow you are all describe the summaries whatever the completed yesterday and today. Okay. Tomorrow
ठीक है।
I take the doubt class on. Okay. So whatever the doubts you are facing, you will continue and describe with tomorrow. Okay.
ठीक है सर, ठीक
I
है।
definitely help you over the remote, over the team viewer, over the AnyDesk, whatever application you are coming. So first of all, we are describe what is work. In computer networking, a workgroup is a collection of computers connected on a LAN that share common resources and responsibilities. Workgroup is a Microsoft term for peer-to-peer local area network. Computers running Microsoft operating system in same workgroup may share file, print, and internet connection. A peer-to-peer network in which interconnected nodes share resources among each other without use of centralized administrative system. Without centralized administrative system means they are all connected to each other, but there is not have any centralized administrative system. अब कोई centralized administrative system नहीं, there is not have any server. Where server present? When you are going to a big infrastructure, domain infrastructure. But that is what in a computer networking, a work group is a collection of computers connected on a LAN that share common resources and responsibility. Here also not required internet connection. If you're directly sharing a file one computer to another without internet, how? In the same LAN. And work group is a what term? Work group is a Microsoft term. ये जो work group का जो term आया है, whatever the work group term is present, that term coming from which where that is coming from Microsoft term. That is the Microsoft for peer-to-peer local area net. Computers running Microsoft operating system in same work group may share file, print, and internet connection. A peer-to-peer network in which interconnected nodes share resources among each other without use of centralized administrative system. Why centralized administrative system? Because this is a peer server. Any doubt here? Please tell if anyone have doubt.
Hello, sir.
Tell me.
So yesterday, user creator is not done.
Yeah, I performing in work group on the time that local users and groups I described.
Okay.
When we are performing the work group practical on the time that applications are required. That's why I describe every steps on work group steps also, and also describe whatever the steps required yesterday. All are clear work group? Any question up to now?
So one thing.
Tell me.
Sir, suppose this network which you have shown, if suppose they have to connect with some printer, so in that case, from every system, a wire will go to the printer.
Yeah, obviously. You are connected. Suppose you are connected one printer over the computer. Suppose you are connected through USB cable. So when you share the printer on computer B, computer C, computer D, computer E, computer A, normally who can share? Computer A can share. So here A is a printer server, and another all are is treated as a printer clients. Okay. If you providing any internet service over here, suppose here computer one connected, computer 2, computer 3, computer 4, computer 5, computer 6. If you providing in internet connection, you will attach one cable on 7 number port and you will connect it through ISP. This is the ISP connection. So that computer, all computers are connected through where? All computers are connected over the internet because they present on a same LAN. Switch is present. Same device कैसे connected होगा? How you will connected the same device when you are going to a same LAN? And when the different network, which device you are use when you're using different network, the router,
Router.
because router connect the different network.
Different. Okay.
But this work group is only possible on same network, same LAN. देखो वो भी लिखा है. In a computer networking, a work group is a collection of computer connected on a LAN that share common resources and responsibilities. If you're sharing any data from this computer to this computer, it's also possible. This computer to this computer, it's also possible. This to this, this to this, this to this. All computer is possible if you're sharing a file or sharing a printer or sharing any report for the everyone. Clear? Any
Yes.
question up to now? किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है तो बताओ. Otherwise, I go to describe how work group works. Who not understood till, please raise your hands. Because here it's
हिंदी में
not
थोड़ा सा समझा
identified.
दीजिए.
हिंदी में अच्छा.
जी सर.
मान लो तुम छोटा कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क में गए हो. Suppose you are going to a cyber cafe. Okay, I give you one example of the cyber cafe. Because when you go into a cyber cafe, जब तुम cyber cafe में जाओगे उसमें छोटा सा नेटवर्क तुमको दिखता है, where one PCs are present and there is multiple clients PCs are also there. 3 client PC and one server. That all computers, total 4 computers are connected through the same LAN. But who managing that cyber cafe? Cyber cafe owner managing that cyber. So what is the meaning? Whatever the 3 computers, that all computers are present on the same LAN. And who managing this network? This network managed by cyber cafe owner who opening the cyber. Here also the same. Work group when required. Work group कहाँ पे required होगा? When you are going to a small network. जब तुम छोटा नेटवर्क में जाओगे, कोई स्कूल का नेटवर्क, कोई घर का नेटवर्क, कोई साइबर कैफ का नेटवर्क जहाँ पे 1 2 3 या up to 10 PC कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं. Not more than 10 to 20. When you go to make more than 10 to 20, you are using domain infrastructure. Okay.
Okay sir.
Or any question?
No sir.
No, sir.
Please ask me if you have any doubt. I try to give you 100%, but I request to everyone, if you not communicated, I'm not able to identify who is getting my voice and not getting my voice.
Sir, these all are connected to switch.
These all are connected through the switch because work group is a collection of computer connected on a same LAN. That's
So, sir, you give example of cyber cafe, right? There we see that only one main server, right? That
main server
provides.
means main server means what? Only you are providing the access. It's not mean you are controlling computer one accounts on computer. It's not possible. But if you're creating any database on computer one, creating any folder or files, then you can sharing that file if you want. It's not possible if you are created user account on computer one ram.das, that is not visible to any computer because all computers are local here. Okay. What is work group? All are clear. Now I clear the concept. What is the server? Here how it's work. That all I clear. All are clear. I clear you, not an issue. What is work group? That is clear or not? You tell. ये वर्क ग्रुप किसको कहता है ये समझ में आया?
Yes sir.
Yes.
Multiple computer, that computer present on a same LAN, and what is the responsibility? Sharing the responsibility. Where share from one computer to another.
Sir,
इसको कहते हैं वर्क ग्रुप. And work group is a Microsoft term for peer-to-peer local area network. Computers running Microsoft operating system in same work group may share file. It's not possible if you think my college is present on Bangalore and another college present on Delhi. So it is not possible to share anything. So where it's share? It's share on the same LAN, same network. Okay. And which operating systems are used? Microsoft operating system. It's not possible to share a file from Windows 7 to Windows 10, Windows 7 to Android, Android to Mac. It's not possible. Where it is possible? Windows 7 to Windows 7, Windows 7 to Windows 8, Windows 8 to Windows 8.1, 8.1 to Windows 10, Windows 10 to Windows 10, Windows 10 to Windows 11. That is possible. Only Microsoft operating system. Okay. All are clear? And we are learning here only Microsoft, not Linux or not Android and not Mac. Okay. So whatever the operating system we are using here, that all are belongs to Windows. All are clear?
Sir, one question, sir.
बोलो.
सर अगर सर जैसे सर ये 5 सिस्टम्स हैं या 6 सिस्टम्स हैं, अगर हम इन्हें केवल सिंपल इथरनेट केबल से कनेक्ट कर देते हैं एक दूसरे से, तब भी हम विदाउट इंटरनेट डेटा शेयर कर सकते हैं?
हाँ, लैन में प्रेजेंट है ना. कंप्यूटर 1 से कंप्यूटर 8 तक किसी को डेटा तुम भेज सकते हो. You wants to share any data from computer 1 to a number of computers which is connected on the same LAN. N is equal to up to 20.
Even
Only
without
20
internet
limits.
connectivity, correct?
Without internet. Because you are sharing data, na? You are sharing data over the LAN. You are present on the same LAN.
Sir, suppose we want a data of F, then can it broadcast to others?
Yeah, obviously you want to share also. Suppose you are sharing a file from B to C. So you will sharing the file from B and C can access. How to access? Over the computer name, over the IP addresses of computer B, and also enter the B's administrator password because B sharing the file. ठीक है, चलो अभी नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में जाएंगे, तब तुम लोगों का जितना भी क्वेश्चन है क्लियर हो जाए. वर्क ग्रुप समझ में आ गया ना? व्हाट इज वर्क ग्रुप? ऑल आर क्लियर ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now let's see whatever the question you have arise on your mind that I cleared. How work group works? Work group में काम कैसे होता? Maybe all are visible my screen. But I request to everyone, if anyone got moved, I mean removed, you will not clear. I request to everyone, please attend up 5 minutes because 5 minutes got disconnected. So I request to 38 candidate must present. If you sign out, you will totally zero. You can concentrate on here. Each computer in work group handles security separately using local security database. क्या meaning है इसका? Computer 1, computer 2 present on a same. Clear?
Yes, sir.
देखो बात करना पड़ेगा. तुम म्यूट रहोगे तो मेरा प्रॉब्लम.
Yes,
I
sir. Clear.
request to everyone, if
Yes,
you
sir, yes,
clear,
sir.
please communicate with me.
Yes, sir. Clear.
If you are not understood, that also cleared me. Ki, sir, I'm not understood. If you only thinking and you will not totally silent, I'm not have this thought. Ki, whatever you thinking, you are clear or not. You must communicate with me. If not clear, please tell. Each computer, computer 1 and computer 2 in a workgroup network connected on a same LAN handles security separate. Computer 1 database not present on computer 2. Computer 2 database not present on computer.
Yes, sir.
It's clear?
Sir.
I got to step by step. Because computer 1 physically different, computer 2 physically different, but they are connected over the same LAN. Computer 1 user account Ram.das present. Computer 2 Raj.das present. I already described what is user and what is administrator if you present yesterday class. Already I described the administrator theory and also cleared the user theory. If Ram.das wants to log on computer 2, is it possible? Yes or no?
No, not
No, sir. Not possible.
No, sir.
Who is tell me yes sir, please raise your hand. I communicate with you. If you tell me yes sir, who tell me yes sir, it is possible. If Raj.das wants to log on computer 1, is it possible?
No.
No, sir.
I'm not
No,
getting
sir.
reply to 38 candidates. I request to everyone.
No, sir.
If you doing a good job, please come.
No, sir.
Is it possible?
No,
No.
No, sir.
Why no? Because Ram.das account created by computer 1 admin.
Yes.
Raj.das account created by computer 2 administrator. All are clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because administrator have full permission, user not have full permission.
Yes, sir.
If you read the yesterday's note, obviously you will clear.
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All
sir.
are clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Which track, who can log on to the computer, and what right or permission user have to resources on the computer. If you are sharing a file from computer 1 to computer 2, so who is peer server over here? किसको हम peer server कहेंगे? If I sharing a file in computer 1 is a peer server. Why peer server? Because they are sharing a file from computer 1 to computer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If computer 1 wants to share a file from computer 1 to computer 2, computer 2 treated as a user and computer 1 treated as a client. And if computer 2 sharing a file from computer 2 to computer 1, computer 2 is a server and computer 2 is a client. All are clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Simple is clear? अब किसी का क्वेश्चन होगा कि सर हाउ कैन आई लॉग तो वो भी लिखा है ए यूजर who wants to log on to a computer must have an account in that computer's local security database. If Ram.das wants to log on computer 2, if computer 2 administrator created user account through Ram.das on computer 2, then it is possible.
Yes,
Because
sir.
computer 1 administrator is different, computer 2 administrator is different. Computer 1 administrator present on computer 1, computer 2 administrator present on computer. If Raj.das wants to log on computer 1, computer 1 administrator must create a user account through Raj.das, then Raj.das will to log. All are clear up to
Yes,
now?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
मिठाई खूब मिष्टी है, मिठाई को खाना पड़ेगा तब पता चला। ऐसा नहीं कि दुकान में मिठाई को देख रहे बहुत टेस्टी है, उसको खाना पड़ेगा। तो वर्क ग्रुप है, वर्क ग्रुप को समझना पड़ेगा। So I request to everyone, please rejoin quickly because this got disconnected after 1 minute. I request to 38 candidates, please join quickly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
And if anyone